Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the
What a beautiful, beautiful day. So today I'm making a video about my exhaust on the truck. Everybody a few weeks ago saw that I posted a picture on my story and my exhaust was being held up with some plumber's hanging material. I had found it at Home Depot and it was like the best thing I could find to hold my exhaust up. So today's video is going to be the story behind those hangers, and today Hades is going to be back on the road again. So I'm going to show y'all how I fixed it and tell y'all maybe who fixed it. But that's what today's video is going to be about. Stay tuned. Yeah, and everybody who always asks, they want a bang check. So we're going to have a bang check. Bang. And also, pipe on my galley, pipe, pipe, do a pipe, pipe. All right, first things first. I went with a 4-inch exhaust. Let me get underneath this truck. I went with a 4-inch exhaust. I'm sorry, the truck's dirty. It's been snowing and everything here, and I haven't had a chance to clean everything. But this is actually a custom exhaust. It was bent and formed by a local exhaust shop. I just got some licks from Pipe. We're gonna leave all those clips in this shit. Bloopers all day. But that's just the beginning of the exhaust. I haven't really fully been underneath here to truly look at the exhaust, but it is custom. And also, for everybody who knows where I live, and I live in a little area, I have neighbors. I have neighbors who have always supported my loud vehicles. They've never complained. They've never called police on me. So when it came into redoing my exhaust for my truck, I wanted to quiet it down because it was my loudest vehicle I have. So I actually added 2 inline mufflers to this. Quiet it down because they're older and elderly, and I don't want to wake people up when I drive my truck, okay? Also, everybody, the story behind my grill, that'll probably be the next video, but it was tragic. I haven't fixed my grill yet, and there's a reason behind it. Everybody's been calling me saying, hey man, you're driving down the road, your grill's broke. There's a reason. I'm looking into changing up the grill and changing up the look of the front of the truck, so I don't want to fix this grill knowing that I'm probably going to change the grill and the look of the truck anyway. So stay tuned. Today I'm going to get into my exhaust. Alright, finally back 2 weeks later. I'm like a month late on this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish it up today, my exhaust video. So if you see me in the same clothes in another video, I'm gonna try to make 2 YouTube videos today, and just stick with me. We're gonna go for a little ride along so that you can see what it sounds like when you're riding in the truck. So see you in a few. Alright guys, I've been letting the truck ride, warm up for a little bit. I'm gonna turn the camera so that y'all can hear it. I'm gonna leave the window rolled up in the beginning, and then when I get out on the highway, I'm gonna roll the window down so that you can hear what you can hear. Sorry if you can hear the AC blowing, but let's get to it. I'm gonna turn the camera now. Right now, y'all can hear me probably behind the camera, but right now my window's actually rolled up. I'm on tune 3, which is like a hot tune, but isn't the highest tune I have. Here in a split second, I'm gonna actually roll my window down whenever I can get some actual open road. But as you can hear, I mean, this is city driving if you can hear anything at all. So stay tuned just for a little bit longer, all right? Alright, we're going to end this video right here, right now. I'm sorry that I took forever to get the video out to everyone who wanted to see it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in the comment section below or DM me on my Instagram at Jamerl_J. Stay classy, stay blessed. If you need anything, just reach out, hug someone if you can, and avoid the COVID. Peace.
So I'm like, I just think about that, like this shit ain't supposed to feel, you know, comfortable. It's supposed to be uncomfortable. It's supposed to stretch you. It's supposed to be a burden to a degree. And you gotta, you know, wrap your mind around that and accept it and embrace it. And you catch some wisdom off of that. You know what I mean?